Here's a YouTube script for your channel FK iPhone focused on the 2025 Oppo A55, covering features, design, and conclusion all within 600 words, Welcome to FK iPhone, the place where we dig into every new smartphone and break it down for you. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2025 Oppo A55. Oppo has been stepping up its game lately, and this latest model continues that trend. So let's dive into what makes the A55 stand out in the crowd of budget and mid-range smartphones. Starting with performance, the 2025 Oppo A55 is powered by a refreshed MediaTek chipset that keeps things smooth whether you're browsing, streaming, or playing casual games. Paired with up to 8 gigs of RAM and generous internal storage, the A55 is more than capable of handling everyday tasks without lags or hiccups. And with the latest ColorOS built on top of Android, the user experience is clean, fast, and customizable. You get all the new features, system optimizations, and visual upgrades that make the phone feel premium. Battery life is another strong point. The A55 packs a large battery that easily lasts through a full day of use and then some. Whether you're a light user or someone who's always on their phone, the endurance here won't disappoint. And yes, fast charging is part of the deal, so even when you do run out of juice, you're back to full power in no time. Now let's talk about the display. The Oppo A55 features a bright and vibrant LCD panel that's perfect for watching videos, scrolling through social media, and general use. It's not a mold, but for its price range, it delivers solid brightness and color accuracy. The bezels are slim, giving it a more modern feel, and the punch-hole camera at the top keeps things sleek without taking up too much screen real estate. On the camera front, the A55 offers a triple rear camera setup. The main lens captures detailed shots in daylight and does a decent job in low light as well. You've also got a depth sensor and a macro lens, so you get a bit of flexibility depending on what you're shooting. The front-facing camera is more than enough for selfies and video calls, giving clear results with natural skin tones. Now let's take a moment to appreciate the design. Oppo has given the A55 a fresh new look for 2025. It comes with a refined matte finish on the back that resists fingerprints and looks stylish in every color option. The camera module is cleaner, more minimal, and the curved edges make it comfortable to hold for long periods. It feels sturdy despite being made mostly of plastic, and the build quality definitely punches above its weight. The fingerprint sensor is side-mounted, doubling as a power button, and it works fast and reliably. You also get face unlock as a bonus, which is surprisingly quick. On the audio side, the single speaker is loud enough for casual listening, and yes, there's still a headphone jack, which a lot of users will appreciate. In conclusion, the Oppo A55 in 2025 continues to be a solid contender in the budget smartphone space. It offers a good balance of performance, battery life, and design without making big compromises. It may not have flagship-level specs, but for the price, it delivers where it counts. Whether you're buying your first smartphone or just need something reliable and affordable, the A55 is worth a look. That's it for today's breakdown. If you liked this review and want more honest takes on the latest tech, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching FK iPhone, and I'll catch you in the next one.